to sheriff.
You're sheriff?
Wait, Eva!
If I die, I'll tell you who the murderer is, okay?
I want to climb on top of the house.
Mình nhớ mong mình cả đấy. Mình nhớ mong mình
Come on,
cả.
wait for me.
Hi, Grandpa. I know you're taking a video.
Cái này lúc sụt tông này nè. Lên trên rồi cái này nè.
Just kidding, I did not die.
I need your head.
Why?
Get up here.
How do I, why did you need
I'm over here.
No, I gotta
Go
go
on
in
the tree.
I gotta go in the house and I gotta...
Whoa.
Don't shoot yet, Eva. There's no murderer.
You're the murderer.
Maybe I'm the murderer.
I almost. Did I shoot myself? Because I saw the murderer. Go up on that tree so you can get the guy.
Oh my gosh, I
Then
need
you'll see the
that.
guy.
Oh my gosh.
At least I got more than you. Because I got
Okay, who is the murderer?
Phoenix, bullet time, and a potato and traps. Because my gun is up there.
Yeah, a dude already got it.
That's why I needed your head.
Why did you need my head? Good job, Space
Let's do-
Dog. It would have been you, but you died.
Palace.
No, let's go to the block. Let's go to the... I'm gonna go to
Bloxburg
the
is a sheriff showdown.
Oh yeah, let's go to Sheriff Showdown.
Okay. Turning my volume now.
Okay, you should run the volume.
You know, Grandpa's doing a video, right?
Stop it. I can see Grandpa.
Grandpa's.
Everybody's supposed to share.
Look,
Sao vậy? Sao làm?
Oh my gosh.
Jackson!
Him first.
Jackson! Little kiss guy.
What call?
No, man, I died. Did you kill me?
Don't mess with me!
Did you
No, I
kill
just
me?
killed 2 guys.
Oh, I just died. I was spectating.
Tiếp nè, bỏ.
Your laugh is
No.
disgusting my life.
I think you
What's that shot? Oh,
I'm going back here now.
you guys shot like 3 more times.
Hả chị
There's
đây.
somebody up there.
Hả chị đây. Chị thường có. Bạn là nó mà tôi thường cho xin mà cầm ta mà.
No! Who killed me?
Coi chị khỏi trong mà tôn chị lên nó xin á.
This dude right here is that dude.
Yeah, baby.
Space Dog.
I come and haunt your dreams now.
You should tell him to Space Dog. You should say Space Dog, I come to haunt your dreams.
But you can't do that because that's impossible for you.
Guys,
Guys,
I will freeze people so you
Baby.
guys can
Space Dog.
Baby,
come on.
do you know? Do you know how old are you?
filming us.
How old are you now?
5 years old.
5 years?
I'm 4.
You 4?
Dreams.
Jordan,
Big dog.
Jordan, how old are you? 8?
Then you should say JK.
Nevia,
No.
Nevia,
Yeah.
What?
how old
He said
are
what?
you?
Good.
I'll kill you.
Good, how old are you?
Now probably is
12?
now probably if he's
10?
hungry, he's gonna go.
Jesse, Jesse, come
Eva.
here. Get my mom for you.
Eva,
What?
Eva, how old are you?
8.
8?
Yeah.
Eva, you want
8,
eat mama?
10, 8,
I'm Sheriff.
5, 4.
I'm innocent.
Okay, but
Good.
tell me who the murderer is if you ever see him.
I got 15 Robux.
You did?
No, it's just a murder 15. See ya? Oh, I called you Sam.
Bam!
I'm
No,
sorry.
I feel like he's a murderer.
What game you play?
Stop. Quit following me, dude.
What game?
I'll protect you.
Roblox. Wow.
I am a savage. I died. I bumped on his head.
Jackson,
I am a savage.
Roblox the one you like it?
I'm the worst sheriff.
Are you favor?
I
Good
was
job.
Sheriff.
What about
and
you?
I actually got him.
Juju, what about you?
My Space Dog always the
What kind of game you want to
Palace.
play?
I'm gonna go.
Roblox 2?
Palace.
No.
Potato Jam. My
Why?
name's Jeff.
You watching movie or you play game?
Stupid Jeff.
Play game?
Hey, look at my
Oh
potato.
yeah, oh I like it. That
Look at
one.
Does this look anything like you?